Maintaining colon health is crucial for overall well-being as it helps eliminate toxins, balance water, and aid digestion. Poor colon health can lead to various diseases and affect the entire body. For quick and safe colon cleansing at home, consider the following methods. Stay hydrated by drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to flush out toxins. Eat fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains to promote regular bowel movements. Consuming probiotics through yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or supplements can support a healthy gut. Herbal teas such as ginger or peppermint can help detoxify the colon. Natural laxatives like aloe vera juice, flax seeds, or psyllium husk should be used in moderation. Starting your day with warm lemon water can stimulate digestion, and mixing a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water before meals can help balance gut pH. These methods can help maintain a healthy colon and prevent digestive issues. In this video, we will discuss a super remedy that is easy to prepare at home and can cleanse your colon in 2 weeks. If you want to learn how to cleanse your colon quickly and safely at home, watch this video carefully. Before we get into the remedy, it's important to recognize the symptoms of a toxic colon. Symptoms of the toxic colon. 1. Skin rashes. The toxic colon can give you skin rashes and other skin problems. That's why you have heard from our oldies that they always keep the intestine clean and get healthy and glowing skin. 2. Urinary tract infection, UTI. A toxic colon provokes a bacterial infection in your body that can lead to UTI, which is a bacterial infection and very painful. Women are prone to this infection, and you need to complete the full course of antibacterial medicines. 3. Vaginal infection. If your colon is not healthy and clean, it can produce a vaginal infection, too, and you will never know why you are suffering from this. It can cause swelling, itching, and discharge from the vagina. 4. Constipation. It is one of the common issues, and millions of people suffer from this. Chronic constipation can be dangerous, and toxic colon provokes constipation that causes other diseases. 5. Poor memory, depression, and tiredness. An unclean colon generates such toxic chemicals in our body that affect our brain too. Especially if you eat excess junk food or canned food, the problem becomes worse. 6. Weak immunity. Our body requires a strong immune system to fight infections and bacteria, but a poor colon can reduce the immune power, and your body faces several infections and invites many diseases. 7. Lack of appetite and acidity. Poor digestion can raise acidity, bloating, and gastric issues in our body. As a result, you feel heaviness and bloating all day and lack of appetite, and it is because of the toxic colon that is generating acidity in your stomach. 8. Joint and muscle pain. This is also an initial symptom of the toxic colon. People feel pain and inflammation in their joints and muscles. Sometimes it can be dangerous, and an instant cure is needed. How to cleanse your colon quickly and safely at home. 1 cup of warm purified water. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. Half cup of organic apple juice. 1 teaspoon ginger juice. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. How to prepare. You will need a tall glass and a spoon. First, take the clean water in a pan. You have to warm the water so that you can drink the water at a safe temperature. Once it is warm, pour it into your glass. Then, add sea salt and mix it. The sea salt will help let out toxins, pushing waste through the body and boosting digestion. Now, add the apple juice, ginger juice, and fresh lemon juice and mix it. In 2 weeks, all toxins will be eliminated, and the colon will become healthy and clean. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach.